Panji Additional Sessions Court, in the order rejecting the anticipatory bail application of accused Subhas Velinkar, has observed that Subhas Velinkar ought not to have avoided the notice served by Bicholim police asking to appear before the investigation officer for questioning. The court has further observed that Subhas Velinkar should not have feared for being arrested if he had believed that his statement has the bona fide. The court has further observed that because Subhas Velinkar has not honored two summons, hence he has to face the consequences. But the same time, court has also said that police has to decide about arresting Subhas Velinkar as per law and as per the directives of Supreme Court in the case of Arnesh Kumar versus State of Bihar. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.